How can you trim out sections of a video on the iPhone? So let me show you exactly how you could use it. If this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you probably noticed that inside of the Photos app, you can click on the edit and trim the video, meaning that you just like cut the either the beginning or ending part of the clip, so you can like trim it from one side or the other. However, if you want to like remove the middle part of the clip, this is where it gets a little bit trickier because it doesn't work with the built-in methods. That's why we need to get a third-party video editor. Like we have iMovie, which is technically made by Apple, but that one only works for the landscape videos, so that's not ideal either. And actually, the one I like to use is either the CapCut or LumaFusion, but LumaFusion is like paid upfront, but it has all of the features working. But CapCut is like free, but with only some paid features. But actually, let's start with the CapCut, and in there you can import the clips into the timeline. Select it, add this timeline below, and just scroll through it to get it and find the position where you want to cut out of the part of the clip. Click on the cut and then move further, then click on cut again, and you have like this middle section of the video which we want to work with. In our case, we just want to click on delete and be removed, right? So that's how you can remove the middle part or trim out sections of the videos. Make sure you don't leave the ending there if you don't like it. And now you can just export the video and it will be saved in your gallery. So I believe that this is the best way and like easiest to do it. However, it still requires us to get a third-party editor. So that's the way that it works currently. If anything changes, I'll most definitely update you about it. So stay tuned by subscribing and you'll never miss anything important.